When we talk about berries, we're talking about food, but we're also talking about medicine. As I've learned, my mentors constantly interchange the words food with medicine with one another. They say food is medicine and medicine is food. When we're eating from the land, when we're eating within season, we are intaking what we need to be healthy within that season. Even the order that these plants come out for us to harvest lines up with what we need to be doing within that season. Salmon berries, they come out first. They are very wet, very juicy berries. They are refreshing, do not preserve well. But when these berries are coming out, we're not thinking about preserving those. We just spent all winter eating dried berries. Why would we start drying berries? We don't want to. We want to enjoy those fresh and refreshing berries. The last berries that come out are these evergreen plants growing in here with these thick waxy leaves. This is səlilwətaḻ. Səlilwətaḻ is a small, almost purple, dark blue berry. They're so dry, they're so pasty, they even have a pectin in them. They preserve perfectly for winter consumption. Even in the order that these berries come out, they are in line with what we need to be doing within that season, whether it's fresh nutrients or preserving our berries. Even the last salmon that come up in our territory here, we have 5 salmon species that spawn in our Pacific Ocean. The last one that comes up in this region is our chum salmon or our dog salmon. The lowest in fat out of all of our salmon and preserve the easiest. So even in the timing that our fish come up, it lines up with what we need to be doing. And I've heard it many times, but the more I learn, the more I see it is true. Nature really does provide for our needs and not for our greed. What you need will be there in the time that you need it, whether it's to eat then or to preserve for winter consumption. The land really does take care of us. That's really a big hope and a big goal when we educate people on the land. When we share what's around us, maybe you can go out in the area around you, start to build that relationship with the land and foster that care and connection with it as well. To see those little pieces of how it takes care of us, and then maybe we'll want to take care of the land in return.